Look who we found here. You'll never have them and leave it. It's only my beautiful missus. Back here at Carlton Bowling School, day 2 of this little 75-80 metre install with some gates. You can see lads have cracked on here. I'll just turn it round so you can see. Nearly there now. We've gone up there, look. Got a few tools to put a fence up these days. Bit of clearance work we're having to do here so we can get to the fence line. It's going to be steep coming down this hill here, so we're going to have to put them all in half panels, step them down as we go along. Baggy's just clearing it there with our trimmer. And it's going all the way down here. It's about 80 metres in total, and we're just following the line down there with some gates in between. This is Dave here, premises guy. Carlton Bowling School. I'm getting him, look. Look who we found here. It's only my beautiful missus who actually works at this school. Say hello, Anne.
It's my dance, make it hurt.
Well, that's that completed Carlton Bowling School. Hasn't been a bad job. Steady dig. It's completion now. A few finishing touches, just spraying up. Had light work of it really, a day and a half's work. Went fairly well, no dramas, looking well.